how to enable or disable push notification from the Zara app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to enable or disable push notification from the Zara app. So in that case, go ahead and log in into your account, and when you're logged in, you could go ahead and tap on the profile icon. So here you can see all of these information, all that. If you go to the settings, you can see this sort of page. However, there's no such direct way of disabling or enabling the push notification from the Zara app in the app itself. However, you can use the phone settings and just toggle the button or enable the push notification. For that, exit out of your Zara app and then long press on your Zara application, go to app info, and here you have this option as notification. You could go ahead and tap on or toggle the button in order to enable it, and likewise to disable it, just toggle the button. When it turns green, it indicates that you've successfully disabled push notification from the Zara app. So that is how you can enable or disable push notification from the Zara app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.